Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of my Spring Clean With Me series 2021. On today's video, I'm going to be working on the living room. I'm also going to be cleaning my living room windows inside and out, as well as hanging some new spring flowers. So I went back to Lowe's and I exchanged the switch plates and got the correct ones, and I also bought some flowers while I was there. I got these really pretty geraniums. They're kind of a two-tone geranium, and then I got a basket of petunias. I buy those every year. And then I got these daisies, these African daisies. I bought 2 of these to put out on my deck. Neither store. I went to Lowe's and I also went to Home Depot, which is where I got these ferns. Lowe's was completely sold out, so I got 2 of these to put out my living room window, and then the petunias will go out there as well for now. These will go outside. I think these I'll put down at the bottom of my stairway below my deck, and then these will just go right outside each door. So this is what I got for now. I didn't want to get a ton, but they didn't have a ton to start with, so I really didn't have a choice. So this is all I got for now.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you.
I have to add a little bit to the rim because when I start pouring it in, then it starts coming out and splattering all over the place. So I just put a little bit on the rim here to sort of keep it from going everywhere when I completely fill it.
Too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
So in order for me to access the windows, to be able to clean them inside and out, and to hang the flowers, Hunter and I had to move the end part, the chaise part of our sectional. So now we're just gonna get this put back in place, and then I'm gonna start cleaning up the living room.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling,
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what.
Okay guys, this is the end of part 2. Be sure to stay tuned for part 3, and thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye guys.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And every